Dual-screen display not only enhances the appearance, but also provides a comprehensive and clear view of the rotor status during experiment, to monitor the progress of experiment. Mechanical lock, electronic lock, sensor lock, triple safety door locks. Ensure your safety, while also providing convenience. It can automatically identify the rotor type, counts the number of tanks, and matches the microwave energy output, offering you a new intelligent experience. The built-in method library can pin the top 5 most recently used methods with one-click start of methods, and makes digestion experiments simpler. 40-position high-throughput digestion rotor with fully sealed digestion tanks ensures effective digestion and element recovery rates. Aerospace composite fiber outer tanks are fully coated with Teflon, which can prevent corrosion and is easy to clean. Inner tank has clear logo and serial numbers for easy identification and record keeping. Convenient assembly of digestion tanks improves experimental efficiency. Non-contact infrared temperature measurement directly measures the sample solution temperature in all tanks. Temperature and heating curves of any digestion tank can be viewed for comprehensive temperature monitoring, ensuring safety and peace of mind. Over 100,000 operation logs can be stored, including sample information, digestion programs, heating curves and more, making data storage and traceability convenient. Deep hole acid remover nearly fully covers the digestion tanks, effectively preventing acid vapor condensation and increasing evaporation efficiency by over 30%.